Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my experience about beauty blender and why I prefer beauty blender and not brushes for my base makeup. And recently I have purchased some beauty blenders by pack from Nykaa. I will be also sharing the review of those beauty blenders in this video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. And I think this video is really going to help you because I will be sharing what I like about the beauty blenders and what I don't. So I think you must watch this video because I have some disappointments about this purchase. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, let me first share with you what I have recently purchased from Nykaa and why don't I like them and what the features which I like about them. So the first product I want to show you is this beauty blender. This is from pack. This cost me around 745 rupees and this product is really very nicely packed, as you can see. This is a normal plastic packaging, and when you open it you will get a small pouch like this. So this is basically a mesh pouch, as you can see. I really like this pouch, and the beauty blenders are here. Let me show you one by one. So this is the first one. This is a water droplet kind of a beauty blender. These beauty blenders also come in red color, and the next one is this. This has a slant cut at the top, as you can see. If you ask me personally, I like this one better than this one because this shape really makes it easy to blend your base makeup like this. So I like it a bit much than this one. This one is also nice. So these are really very pricey, as you can see that 745 rupees for these two beauty blenders is really very expensive, as you can say. And the another beauty blender set which I have got, this is also from pack, and this is their mini beauty blender. So you can see the packaging. This is just a plastic packaging. This cost me around 280 or something. I will attach the price on the screen. So let me just open it. It comes in a Ziploc packaging actually. So these beauty blenders are really very tiny, and I will not prefer these ones for blending my base makeup. This is very good for blending the concealer and even for contouring. So these two are really very tiny, as you can see. These are really very tiny, and the shape of these both are same. This one is dry and this one is the wet one, so you can see the difference of the size. So guys, you are supposed to wet your beauty blender before using it, and you have to really squeeze the water out, and then you can blend your makeup with the beauty blender. So this is the dry one and this is the wet one. I have just make it wet because I want to show you the difference of the size, as you can see. And the bigger one also, this is the dry one and this is the wet one. So you can just see the difference. When you wet a beauty blender, it's obviously becomes a little bit bigger in the size. So guys, let me just talk about why don't I use brushes and beauty blenders. Because I usually use beauty blender, I never used brushes. So I really can't compare brushes and beauty blenders, which one is better and which one is not, because I have never used brushes to apply my base makeup. I have always used beauty blender. But now the point is that the beauty blender I have used till now, they are really very affordable, like 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 80 rupees or maximum 120 rupees. So what's the difference about these beauty blenders? So I want to show you some beauty blenders which I normally used till now. So these are the beauty blenders. So this one cost me 50 rupees only, and this one cost me 120 rupees. I have another one. This also cost me 50 rupees. Again, this is a droplet kind of a thing as the pack one. So these are all dry wet beauty blenders. These are not wet. So this also cost me 50 rupees. Then I have another one. This is really very old. As you can see, the color is slightly faded. So this one again cost me 120 rupees. So guys, now comes the comparison between a 50 rupees beauty blender and a 300 rupees beauty blender. Actually it's more than 300 if you can calculate. I think 370 or something it will cost one beauty blender, and this one is 50 rupees. So there is a huge difference between these prices. So till now I have used these affordable ones, and these beauty blenders are available in any local store. You will find in any local store this kind of beauty blenders. So these are really very easy to get. So till now I have used these ones. Okay, so recently I thought that I should invest in a good beauty blender and see whether it works better or it just works same or not. So I really researched a bit, and I found that pack beauty blenders are really nice. I have seen a lot of positive reviews about these pack beauty blenders. So I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So I ordered them from Nykaa. So guys, this time I don't know whether Nykaa has sent me fake products or it's the fault of the beauty blender, because I have used this beauty blender just 3 times guys. Just 3 times, believe me. And today when I was applying my makeup, I just found out that it is cracked. It started cracking guys, just after 3 uses. Can you see? It's slightly cracked. I don't know whether the camera is catching it actually because it's black. I will give a close-up shot of this so you can really check it out. It's really cracked. I mean the crack is really very tiny, but it will increase after a few uses. So I am really very disappointed guys, because these expensive beauty blenders are supposed to last for a very long time, and if it doesn't last for a long time, then why I have to buy this, or why you have to buy these expensive ones? You just can't grab this 50 rupees or just at least 120 rupees sponge, and you can just use it couple of months and just throw it away. So I am really very disappointed guys. I don't suggest you to buy this expensive sponge. I will really suggest you to buy the cheaper ones because they works really nice guys. So guys, the only difference I find while using these two beauty blenders is this expensive one soaks a little less foundation than these cheaper ones. So this cheaper beauty blender soaks very much foundation and concealer in it. So you will waste a bit more foundation if you use these sponges, but they blends your makeup quite similarly. And can you guys imagine this sponge? This is a 120 rupees sponge which I have bought 3 months ago. So I have used it so many times guys, and recently it just cracked, as you can see. So I have used it more than 3 months. I mean regularly I have used it so many times, and now finally this is cracked. So I can just throw it away and buy a new one. So why will I buy this expensive one, and why will I invest so much of my money in this sponge? Because this has just cracked after 3 uses. I am so disappointed guys. What is this? I mean, what the hell is this guys? I'm really very disappointed. Listen, I don't want you to buy this because these are not worth it guys. Seriously guys, these are not worth it. I don't know whether Nykaa has sent me the wrong product, I mean fake product. Nykaa doesn't normally do that, because I have purchased so many products from Nykaa and they all are just bang on. But for this product, it is a big no-no from me. So guys, I don't have any hate for Pack or for Nykaa either, because Pack is a really very nice brand, and I have heard very good reviews about these sponges, even the small ones. But I don't know whether it is my bad luck or I mean, I just don't know. I am really very sad about this purchase, guys. So if you want to buy this, just buy it in your own risk, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments down below. And if you like this video and found this useful, please don't forget to hit this a big fat thumbs up, and please share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.